Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about English speaking sentences part 155, in which I am going to discuss about Sabhyata Shishtachaar means etiquette related sentences. Etiquette means, friends, basically how we present ourselves in front of another person, either giving him good wishes or very much feeling very much thankful to other person, or giving thanks to that person when he does something for special to us. So these are basically etiquette related sentences. So friends, let's start our sentence. Friends, let's start our English speaking part 155. English speaking part 155, Sabhyata Shistachar means etiquettes. So friends, now we will discuss about etiquette related sentences in our English language. इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी मीन्स नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ काइंडनेस, इट वुड रेदर प्लीज मी. So basically friends, etiquettes means the way we present ourselves in front of other person, whether in case of kindness, in case of help, in case of giving order, etc. So इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी. It means no question of kindness, it would rather please me. कृपा करके कष्ट के लिए माफ़ करें. काइंडली एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर द ट्रबल. सो बेसिकली इन दिस सेंटेंस द पर्सन इज बेसिकली फीलिंग वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड ही इज ट्राइंग टू कन्वे अनदर पर्सन दैट डोंट टेक बर्डन अबाउट मी. मीन्स ही इज ट्राइंग टू से कृपा करके कष्ट करने के लिए माफ़ करें. काइंडली एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर द ट्रबल. बहनों को नमस्ते और बच्चों को प्यार. Regard to sisters and love to children. So friends, in this sentence basically the person is showering his love and care towards another person when he is meeting with him or he is leaving that person. So basically he is conveying his love towards children of other persons. So बहनों को नमस्ते और बच्चों को प्यार means regard to sisters and love to children. मैं आपका अत्यंत एहसानमंद होऊंगा यदि आप मेरा यह काम करा देंगे. I will feel highly obliged if you get this work done. So friends, basically in this sentence the person is very much helpful and very much helpful to another person and he is basically saying him मैं आपका बहुत एहसानमंद रहूँगा अगर आप मेरा ये काम करा देंगे. It means I will feel highly obliged if you get this work done. So friends, it normally happens in our day-to-day life also. When we are in need of any another person's help, we normally try to thank him for the amount of help he can give us. So we normally thank him that you have done a great work to us, you have been a great help to us. So similarly in this sentence the person is very much thankful to another person for giving him help. हार्दिक प्रेम और शुभकामनाओं सहित with love and best wishes. So friends, in this sentence this is basically etiquette related sentence because in this person is basically mentioning about his love to another person, like हार्दिक प्रेम और शुभकामनाओं सहित, basically with love and best wishes. When we meet someone or when we send some cards to another person, we normally write on that letter that with love and best wishes, and we write our name or address, etc. So similarly in this etiquette related sentences, it shows our behavior, the way of presentation towards another person when we shower him love, care, or when we are very much thankful to that person. So this basically shows our etiquettes, the way which we present ourselves in front of another person in the society. So I hope friends you would have find it easier to understand about these Sabhyata Shistachar means etiquette related sentences, because these sentences play a very important role in our life, and try to speak them with another person or in front of mirror so that your English may improve in future.